Hello, this is Antix, a global metaverse innovator.
All right, guys, it's time to talk about something big. You might remember me talking about a project called Antix not long ago. Well, they've just dropped some major updates, and trust me, this could be the most exciting AI project you've seen this year. I've been watching Antix since the early days, and what they're building with AI digital humans is on a completely different level. Just scroll through their Instagram. You'll see exactly what I mean. The tech looks like it belongs in a Marvel movie, not on your phone. Imagine an ultra-realistic AI being the face of a global brand, starring in a game, or even fronting a major ad campaign. Now expand that vision into Hollywood, gaming, cinema, advertising. The markets are massive, and I genuinely think Antix is positioned to dominate them all. Here's the kicker. You're not just watching the future unfold. You can actually be part of it. Antix isn't some fresh-out-of-the-garage startup. These guys have over a decade of Web 2 experience and have already worked with giants like HBO, Netflix, Game of Thrones, EA Games, and Porsche. That's real-world validation. And now, they're stepping into Web 3 with their own token, Antix, which is fully integrated into the platform. It powers the creation, customization, and control of AI digital humans. Once this tech becomes widely available, demand for Antix could explode. Bitcoin just touched $107,000, and the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 73. Sentiment is turning bullish, and early movers are positioning for the next wave. This is the golden zone. No fear, no mania, just opportunity. Even decent crypto OGs are bullish again. This is the perfect time to make moves that can pay serious dividends in the future, and you don't want to miss one of the best opportunities available right now. Since my last video on this project, Antix has gotten even bigger and better, and is undoubtedly the best AI token of 2025. Here are some reasons why whales can't get enough of this massive project. Antix is the most promising AI project of 2025, and has partnered with giant brands like Disney, HBO, Netflix, EA Games, and Porsche, all of which are already utilizing Antix's technology in their operations. Antix is operating in a booming market projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 4,530% in less than 10 years. According to recent data from DataBridge, the global digital human market is currently valued at $31.5 billion and is projected to reach $625 billion by 2032. To be honest, I've never seen such optimistic growth forecasts for any market, which shows how much of a gem Antix is. Over 5,400 people already hold Antix. It's starting to spread. You'll start seeing more and more creators, influencers, and communities talk about this. But by then, you'll wish you'd gotten in earlier. And get this. Antix just crushed it at Hacker Noon's startup competition, placing top 3 in 2 ultra-competitive categories, machine learning and generative AI. Over 151,000 plus startups from 98,000 different industries competed, and Antix made the podium. That's not luck. That's next-level tech making waves across the industry. This is a massive milestone for Antix, proving that their AI digital humans technology is a true breakthrough, recognized across the entire tech landscape. Being able to stand out among over 150,000 plus startups speaks volumes about the strength of their technology, the quality of their team, and the scale of their ambitions. Just look at the quality of the work that AIGE can deliver. It's becoming more obvious by the day. Antix isn't just aiming to be a leader in the AI space, they're already proving it with real-world results and industry recognition. And here's the crazy part. We're still early. The Antix token presale is live right now, giving us a rare shot to get in before this project goes fully mainstream. You certainly don't want to miss this exciting opportunity. Real quick, before we dive deeper, here's your chance to get ahead of the curve. The Antix token sale is live, and I've got an exclusive link straight from their official site waiting for you in the description. Use it, and you'll score a 5% bonus on your tokens. Early access, bonus rewards. This is how smart moves get made. So why does the world need Antix? I think a lot of you already get how insane this tech is. I mean, just looking at what they've built is enough to get excited. But the real magic? It's in the use cases, and the Antix team laid it all out in a tweet that's a must-see. The applications are practically endless, and this isn't just cool tech. It's game-changing innovation that can reshape entire industries. Let's take healthcare, for example. Antix has partnered with a cutting-edge company called BioTwin to co-develop AI digital humans that can actually predict cancer risks, analyze blood biomarkers, and interact just like real doctors. Not avatars, real, proactive, intelligent agents that support patient care. This isn't sci-fi, it's already happening. The global AI healthcare market was worth around $26.57 billion in 2024, and by 2030, it's projected to surge past $187 billion, growing at a staggering 38.62% compound annual growth rate. That's a massive signal. The world is moving toward AI-enhanced medicine fast, and Antix is already deep in the game. It's real, proactive healthcare, powered by intelligent agents, not just avatars. Now let's talk tourism. Forget the boring, outdated tour guide experiences. Antix is developing multilingual digital humans that don't just recite facts. They welcome you in your own language, adapt to your preferences, and share meaningful cultural insights along the way. Imagine traveling the world with a personal AI companion who actually knows the place inside out and doesn't need a break. That's what Antix is building, and it's only the beginning. From helping you plan before your trip to navigating local spots, and even following up afterward, these guides stay with you throughout the whole journey. And the more you interact, the more they learn, making each experience better than the last. Antix is already rolling this out in the MENA region, giving travelers an experience that feels truly human, not some stiff, robotic script. It's like having a next-gen travel guide who actually gets you. Another big news just dropped. The Antix team has officially announced that their beta launch is happening in Q2 of 2025. And guess what? We're already in the second quarter, so this is right around the corner. With this beta release, anyone will be able to tap into Antix's cutting-edge tech and do things we've only dreamed of until now. Generate your own AI-powered digital twin in just minutes. Automate full video content using nothing but text input. Own and monetize your digital identity, all secured on the blockchain. This is incredibly bullish. We're literally weeks away from getting hands-on with what could be the future of content creation, identity, and AI. But that's not all. Just recently, Roman, the CEO of Antix, hosted a major X space where he dropped new details about their AIGE technology, which is about to be revealed. And get this, the Antix AIGE platform slashes video and avatar production costs from a whopping $400,000 per minute to just $2 per minute. That's not a typo. We're talking Hollywood-level digital avatars and videos, made affordable for the world. Every digital human created is blockchain verified, meaning Antix token holders become the gatekeepers of authenticity, helping wipe out deep fakes and making trust a built-in feature of every post. That's not just innovative, it's game-changing. Holding Antix isn't just about speculation, it's a front-row seat to help shape the project's future, get early access to next-gen AI tools, and play an active role alongside the core team. This is real utility, real impact, and it's happening now. This is why I'm personally jumping into the Antix pre-sale at just $0.06 per token. That's a huge 57% discount compared to the TGE price. And get this, the Antix team has already raised over $8.42 million. So let me be clear, this pre-sale is moving fast, and if you're still on the sidelines, you don't have much time left to think it over. Early movers get the advantage. What I love is how flexible this sale is. Antix made sure anyone can participate, no matter what chain or token you're using. Check this out. Ethereum network. Use Ethereum, USDT, or USDC. Binance Smart Chain, BNB chain. Use Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or USDC. Base network. Use Degen, Mantra, Wrapped Ethereum, or CBBTC, Coinbase Wrapped BTC. And here's the deal with token release. You'll get 13% unlocked immediately at TGE. The remaining 87% will be under a 5-month lockup. followed by 8 months of linear vesting. So basically, you'll be receiving monthly payouts in Antix, just like passive income. I'll even walk you through how easy it is to join the sale yourself. How to participate in the Antix sale. Number 1. Go to the official sale page. Number 2. Connect your wallet. Number 3. Choose your preferred network, BNB Chain, Ethereum, or Base. Number 4. Enter the amount in USDT or equivalent and hit Buy Now. Don't forget to factor in network gas fees. Make sure you've got enough to cover the transaction smoothly. Bottom line, don't sleep on this opportunity. This is a rare window to get in early, at a serious discount, and ride with one of the most talked about AI projects in the space. Let's take a step back and look at the big picture, because what's happening right now in the crypto AI space is insane. Just recently, I discovered that major investment funds are already moving fast. For example, DWF Labs, one of the most aggressive VCs in the space, just committed $20 million exclusively to AI agent projects. And that's only the beginning. As this AI agents narrative heats up, you can bet other global Tier 1 funds won't be far behind. But here's the thing. When the trend shifts, the smart money will follow the next big wave. And that wave is AI digital humans. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets crazy. In 2023, the global digital human market was already worth $21.68 billion. Sounds impressive, right? But that's just the beginning. By 2032, it's projected to explode to $625.82 billion, a 19x increase in less than a decade. Now imagine this. If Antix manages to capture just 10% of that market share, you're looking at a $43 billion market cap. Let that sink in. That kind of valuation would put Antix straight into the top 10 of all cryptocurrencies. With that kind of forecast and the quality Antix is delivering, we're staring down a massive opportunity. This isn't just another crypto play, it's a front-row seat to what could be the next giant in Web3 AI tech. Just recently, the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, dropped what might go down as the most bullish announcement in crypto history. And yet, the market hasn't even fully reacted. Here's what this means. Banks are now officially allowed to buy and sell crypto directly for customers, hold and custody digital assets, execute crypto trades and swaps between fiat and digital currencies, maintain full transaction records, provide valuation, tax services, and detailed portfolio reporting. In plain English, America's biggest banks just got the green light to go all in on crypto. This isn't some rumor. This isn't leaked alpha. This is a direct, confirmed regulatory announcement. And here's the wild part. This OCC decision could actually be even bigger than the recent creation of the US Bitcoin Reserve that's been making headlines for months. What we're witnessing is crypto officially going from the fringe to the financial core. Suddenly, trillions in institutional capital and tens of millions of bank customers are now just a few clicks away from direct crypto exposure. Why should you care? Because the markets haven't priced this in yet. We're sitting at a historic inflection point. And like every cycle before, the biggest returns always go to those who position early, before the headlines go viral, before retail piles in, before the FOMO kicks in. The momentum is building, and once it breaks, everything changes. Antix has just announced a major partnership with RockDAO. The UAE is making serious moves in Web3 by creating a clear regulatory framework for DAOs, and RockDAO is leading the charge. Their system finally gives legal recognition to startups and decentralized organizations, removing red tape and making global expansion so much easier. And here's the kicker. RockDAO only partners with top-tier projects. Their ecosystem already includes giants like Binance, MetaMask, Tether, and Hedera. And now, Antix joins this elite list. This is a massive milestone for Antix. It's proof that demand for AI digital humans is exploding, and institutions are starting to pay attention. As part of this new alliance, Antix will take the lead in RockDAO's AI and gaming sector, with a clear mission: revolutionize Web3 gaming by embedding cutting-edge AI into every layer of gameplay. I can already imagine a wave of new Web3 projects lining up to partner with Antix, because no one else is doing digital humans at this scale or quality. But Antix isn't just forming partnerships quietly behind the scenes. They're out there, on the front lines. At the Consensus event in Hong Kong, hundreds of Web3 founders gathered. And yes, Antix CEO Roman Siganov was right there in the thick of it. What's amazing about Roman is his radical transparency. He shares everything, partnerships, updates, even behind-the-scenes action, directly on his Twitter. Not long after, Token 2049 went down. And guess what? Roman was there, repping Antix on the global stage again. This team doesn't sit back. They're active, they're engaged, and they're building in public. They attend major industry events, secure high-value collaborations, and constantly push the message forward. Most importantly, they do it all with full transparency, giving interviews, landing features in major media, and staying 100% compliant with global regulations. That kind of openness, it's exactly what separates the real disruptors from the hype machines. And Antix is clearly here to redefine the game. Antix is about to redefine the AI digital human industry, and I'm genuinely pumped about what's coming. It's becoming more obvious by the day. AI is the future, and the next major trend is going to revolve around digital humans. And when that shift happens, only the projects with the best tech will dominate. For me, that's Antix, hands down. They've assembled a dream team of industry veterans and heavyweight advisors. These aren't hobbyists. These are professionals on a mission. Their platform is already letting users create and personalize AI-powered digital humans in ways we've never seen before. This is next-level innovation, not some recycled script. And the Antix token? It's built for the long run, with a deflationary design and a burn mechanism that'll keep demand surging as the ecosystem grows. With the digital human market projected to explode 29 times by 2032, Antix isn't just tagging along, they're planning to lead the entire charge. The tokenomics are airtight, the vision, massive, and the community? Already buzzing with anticipation. This feels like one of those rare, early-stage opportunities you'll regret missing. Right now, you can still get in on the Antix presale at just $0.06. That's a 57% discount from the TGE price. And with how fast the first round sold out, under 5 minutes, the demand is crystal clear. Here's the kicker. Your first 13% unlock happens right at TGE, so chances are we'll see instant profit potential, while the remaining 87% unlocks gradually, rewarding holders who stick with the project. I've already joined the token sale, and I'm seriously glad I found Antix this early. If you're even thinking about jumping in, trust me, this is the time. Use the link in the description to get access and score up to 5% bonus tokens. Let's ride this wave before it goes mainstream. Antix is about to make some serious noise.